Welcome. Rat Black here. Got two packs today of my favorite diecast manufacturer. Any guesses out there? Any guesses out there? So let's look at the back first. Whoops. Up here is what is in the case. 6 2-packs. We have the Super 70s, the BMX Freestyle, and the Surf Rides. All 6 packages were there. All 6 2-packs. And this is what we got. Here is the package of Super 70s Authentic Factory Colors. Opening hoods. Nice. So on top here is the beautiful 76 Olds Cutlass Supreme. Wonderful blue and white interior, blue steering wheel. Those wheels. You think those are Keystone wheels? Remember Keystone wheels? Anyway, and below it is the 72 Buick Riviera. Another beautiful, amazing pair of castings. I'll let you read that if you'd like, while I take a drink of my water. Hope you have a safe Memorial Day. Don't go out and do anything crazy. Don't drink and drive. Don't boat and drive. Drink and boat. This just ain't worth it, man. These are both version A. 2-pack. Let's put them on the spinner down here and take a closer look. Wow. It's good stuff. Good stuff, Johnny. Appreciate your being subscribed. You guys rock. And then The next 2-pack we picked up are the surf rods. Replicating classic coastal cruisers like the locals used to drive. Shout out to Doll Star Diecast. Got the 50 Mercury Woody and the 59 Cadillac Ambulance. All decked out for the cruising up and down PCH. So it says the Mercury Woody wagons were pretty rare. And the length of the Cadillac Ambulance. Let's open them up. What does that say? Shredding waves. Shredding waves. Nomad Surf Shop. Well, shout out to Gary's Diecast Collection. Epic drop. That's what I just did. I did an epic drop. Look at them boards. Beautiful. I would... I'm not going to say. I'd prefer it in a little... I would prefer this to be like ratty, patina, something like that. And I guess one could do that if they wanted to. Six of 23. Yeah, this is a 2023 release too, so that kind of shows how behind these retail releases are. So that's the Woody. And here's the, what year is this? 59 Cadillac Ambulance. Malibu Beach Rescue. Let's look at it first and then we'll try to open the hood. Pretty wild surfboards. Have you seen my collection of Johnny Lightning ambulances and hearses? Wow, I got some really beautiful pieces. What's that say? Surf USA. Pretty nice I like the plain black tires and wheels back here. Yeah, that's nice. Alright, my friends. Did I tell you I appreciate that you're subscribed? In the comments, tell me which set was your favorite, and then tell me what your plans are for Memorial Day holiday weekend. I have the opportunity to work a bunch of hours at holiday pay, time and a half, or holiday pay. Thanks for checking out this video. We look forward to some cool comments. That's all for today. From the Rat's Nest.